What should we do now? Slow down.
Whoa!
Help me! Help me!
Oh.
What is wrong with him? Come here. Don't worry, you'll be okay. I need to see a doctor. Calm down.
Oh.
Hello, I need support. Here I come.
Wow.
Wonderful.
Oh yeah!
Something's wrong. I've got a job for you. Oh, very beautiful. Let's go home.
Oh no! Ouch! Come on!
Come on, let's go. I can't. That's great! Call everyone over to help us!
La 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 la.
I will ask someone for help. I need your help. Follow me. Okay, we'll get there immediately. Let's start. Wonderful. Let's get down to work.
Okay.
Yes!
Oh, very beautiful. Okay, done. Wow, it looks good. You've done a great job. Let's go home. Wow, great. Let's go.
Okay.
Aha! Hey, glad to work with you.
Oh, me too.
Let's get down to work.
Yes. Have to finish the job within today.
Good job! If you need help, give me a call. I think so too. I'm going. Goodbye and see you again. Glad to work with you. Me too. We have to finish the job within today. Run! I love my job. Okay. Hello. We have to move it out of here. Give me that task. I like this. What is going on? What is wrong with him? Hey, do you need help? It hurts! Oh no, what do we do now? What is this? Oh my God! Hurry up! Move! Move! Help me! Help me! Help me!